Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Rolando Valido, only Valido, for people that they come here on YouTube. Let me bring you another animal. This is a weird bird too, but beautiful at the same time. It's from South America, I believe. It is, let me show you this bird for you. Look at how weird that bird is, but at the same time, a very beautiful bird too. And the name of it, Hoatzin. I cannot even say it, but there is for you in the screen, so I don't have to say it, I believe. So let me read the information about this animal. They live in a swamp, wetland, wetland, riverside, forest of the northern and central South America, primarily with the Amazon Orinoco, Orinoco, again, Orinoco River Basin, nesting tree overhanging water that are found throughout the Amazon basin along its tributary requesting descents vegetation near low moving water for food, shelter, and similar in a country like Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, and the Guinea's country, I believe. The last span of the Hoatzin is about 14 to 16 years in a while, but they can live significantly longer and completely reach him. This is 29, 29 to 30 years of living, making them the longest lived bird as a unique digestive system of prehistoric lineage. Lineage, language, yeah, language, that's right. And well, to live at 29 to 30 and captivity, that's a lot of years, ladies and gentlemen. In the wild, they don't live that long because of the predator and the wildlife and things like that. And that's why they don't live as long as they should in the captivity of people, which is they last even longer, for sure. Okay, before I go, let me put the picture a little bit bigger for you so you can enjoy. There's a beautiful bird. Look at the eyes, big around eyes. The hair. Amazing bird, ladies and gentlemen. I've never seen this bird before. It's quite beautiful. Uh, I'm going to try to get a video of it. I'm going to try it. I'm not guarantee it, but I'm going to try. Okay, thank you very much for watching. My name is Rolando Valido. Holy Valido for people here on YouTube. God bless you. Please subscribe and like to my channel. Bye bye.